So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text size here on VN Video Editor. So to add some text to your video first and foremost, where it says tap to add subtitle, or there's the T with the plus, select that, and then select title. Once you're here, you can select your font or your text. So I'm just going to go ahead where it says add a heading. Then I'm going to go ahead and type in text size like this. Now to increase the text size, it's pretty simple. There's a bunch of different options here. Basically, if you were to go ahead, you can change the font here. If you were to go ahead, you can sort of change the font size like this. So if you want to make it larger or smaller, like to an exact number, for example, you can kind of see the number this way. That's probably the simplest way to do it. Another way you can do it as well is if you press the check mark here, just press on your text. You can kind of just grab the corner and slide it, making it large or small. Do what you got to do. And if you were to go ahead and play the video this way, you now have your text added with the text size that you selected. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text size on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.